Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. We're the Magnetic Express. Next slide. Our toy design concept was pretty much a combination of two concepts. We wanted to put a new spin on the old train model toys, you know, the tracks and the train model. We wanted to incorporate a sort of roller coaster theme with our track, sort of give the kids something new to play with, connect different loops and different bends, that sort of thing. But we wanted to add something a little extra, so we decided to, instead of using just regular tracks, have our train magnetically levitate. So what we did is we added two similar poles of two magnetic strips on the track and two magnetic strips on the train, and the train is repelling over the track. So there's no friction between the track or the train. Next slide. This is a preliminary concept we had for our engine cab. Next one. And this is our preliminary concept. We wanted to constrain our train so it wouldn't rotate with the magnetic, because the magnets would naturally want to attract each other. So we had to constrain our train horizontally so it wouldn't flip over.
For the design, we had to take a lot of inspiration from existing bullet trains. They're made to be very sleek and aerodynamic and elegant, and we ended up with this, which is all of those things and more. Some of our initial iterations called for putting a computer fan in the engine car and using that to propel the train along the tracks. We left that part out and just left the inside hollow to save weight. Next slide. Here is the freight car. Our train is a combination bullet train and freight car. This allows kids to store all of their other toys in it and sort of pretend like it's an actual freight train. We cut some slots to save weight. Saving weight was one of the biggest problems we had with this project, because you have to make sure it's light enough so as to not overburden the magnets so it can actually levitate. Next slide. And here's a quick animation of our project. So as you can see, it just gracefully slides along the track. And if we go ahead and take a look at its actual operation, one of the problems we had is it sort of binds itself to the walls of the track, so it doesn't slide exactly perfectly. But we think if we gave this to a kid, it'd probably take him about 5 seconds to realize he could just lift it up and go like that and make it slide on its own. So that is the Magnetic Express. Oh, and by the way, here's a sombrero.